Hey everyone, and welcome to TechNeo. Today, we're going to show you how to curve text in Canva. First off, head over to Canva and create a new design. You can choose any format you like, but for now, let's select an Instagram post template. On the left-hand side, you'll find various design elements. Click on Text to add a heading. Type in your desired text. Next, click on the text again to open the menu bar, where you can adjust the font, size, style, color, and more. Now, let's add some effects. In the Effects section, you will see the option Curve. Then, click on it. You'll notice your text is now curved. To adjust the curve, find the slider labeled Curve and drag it to your desired extent. You can curve the text in any way you like using this slider. Once you're happy with the curve, simply leave it as is. And there you have it. That's how you curve text in Canva. For more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.